that didn't go as planned. Bradley GT2. What am I going to do with that car? I sold the electric one. It's long gone. But I've got that other one out there. What do I do with it?
Crush it, and they will watch.
I don't know.
Yes.
Do I build it?
No.
That's a lot of money. I got an old Harley sitting back there. We could put that in there for an engine.
No.
Definitely be cool.
No. Crush it, and they will watch.
Really?
Yes.
Let me go take a look at it. Maybe I'll get some thoughts. All right. I'm going to go look at it. Bradley GT2 kit car. Try to sell it again. Nobody wants that car. I mean, I've tried to sell it before. Hey guys. I'm gonna go look at that Bradley GT. You guys want to build it? You want to build that thing? No? No, they don't want to build it. I can't blame them. Literally, I have to build a chassis for it too. I could always use a Volkswagen chassis. Ah, what a pain in the butt. Those things are all rusted. Hey, I do have a 3100 chassis right now. That wouldn't even work. There it is. I forgot that I just shoved it off to the side here. It's got weeds growing up in it. That goes to show you how much I really cared about it. Top's laying right there. The shell's right here. I'm convinced. I know what I'm going to do. All right. Getting in my skid loader. Got a little project. All right. Brakes. Contact. A little chilly here in Iowa. I don't know. It might start. It says it's ready. Oh, John Deere fired right up. Brakes off. Ooh, hydraulics are a little stiff. Oh, boy, are they. Be careful. We are back. Here we go. All right, all the hydraulics are working. Going to get a Bradley GT. Gonna crush a Bradley GT. Gonna put it in the dumpster. Send it. I think I'm gonna send it to kit car heaven. Now this may agitate a few people, but it's my car. There she be. All right, gonna get out for a second. Let's see how proficient I am with my skid loader. Well, that didn't go as planned. It's gonna get ugly. This little John Deere's like having a little bulldozer. See, you know, these Bradley GTs, I bought this, you know, with this great idea that I was going to fix it up. And every time I deal with this darn thing, this is what I get. Big pain in the butt. Yep. There's no saving her now. This thing is fighting me. Just don't want to hit my trailers. Do. I don't want to hit Cassidy's truck. Nope, don't want to hit his truck. Oh, that was close. Oh, there's my bucket over there. Dump this thing off here. There we go. I think I will drop this right there. Disconnect. The extra long forks. I almost drove over that. I didn't see you. I said I didn't see you. I was getting ready to drive over the back of that thing. Whew! But I can't see behind me. There it is. The Bradley GT. Yep. Let's just see if the old skid loader will drive over the top of it. Matter of fact, I say we do it from front to back. Oh, it's not giving way. Maybe a side view here. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. You will crush. I will drive over this thing. There's no bringing that back. I'm probably going to get stuck driving over the top of this thing. Right over the chassis. Right there. Crush me. Oh yeah. I'm going to crush you. Yes, I am. Oh, time to take a stab at it. Driving over that. Oh, you can't get away from me. You cannot get away from me. Driving over the top of it. I'll flip you over too. I want to drive over Brad's car. We have Taurus for breakfast. I'm just going to scoop this thing up and put it in the dumpster when I'm all said and done. Bradley is no match for the John Deere skid loader 328. Well, that's that. No more Bradley GT. Time to put it in the dumpster. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to have to use the wife's car for traction. Oh, don't tell her I did that. Oh, but I did it. Okay. Last little bit. There it is! It's in the dumpster! Well, you just have to ask yourself, what else are you going to do in the middle of the winter in Iowa? Get your skid loader out and go ahead and crush a Bradley GT2. Didn't need it anyway. This is Craig. Make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video. By the way, all you haters out there, I understand it had a little bit of value to it, but not enough for me to keep it. So it's headed to landfill heaven. Have a great day. Signing out.